Hi, excuse me. Hi ate.
Hello.
Nakita ko kasi nakaayos ka. I'm a photographer. So sana kitang bigyan ng libre photoshoot. Okay lang ba?
Sige po.
What's your name nga pala?
Misha po.
Misha. Wow, ang ganda-ganda mo naman ate. Taga saan ka?
Taglutong pang.
Photoshoot kita, okay lang? Sige, tara.
All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me you're enough. You can say that I'm a fool and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love.